Greetings, happy to meet you with the containers for MDM 11.6 FP11. These containers are built on UBI version 8. They are all Red Hat certified containers, and we provide Helm charts for use with OpenShift. We also provide MQ containers here because when you deploy directly on OpenShift, you will use multiple replicas, and when you use multiple replicas, you will not be able to use WebSphere embedded messaging when you are using a containerized MDM. Uh, in this session, our primary motive is to create a container, a customized container for the MDM operational server, which can be used for deployment on Kubernetes or OpenShift. We will have this session in multiple parts, and this will be the first part wherein we will first see how we can provision an installable MDM using the containers that are given to us. So you will have something similar when you extract the Docker Compose archive for FP11. You need to go and execute configure MDM Docker. Click continue here when it comes to the license agreement. Click OK after selecting the appropriate locale. Go through the license agreement and then click OK. Come back here, click tab twice so that you can come to cancel. Press enter, and now you will be given the choice to accept the license. We'll accept the license here. You are now logged on to the Docker registry, and you can choose the option to proceed with. So we normally use deployed MDM with DB2 container for demo instances, and for you to check the new features that have come with MDM. When it comes to configuring an image for deployment on your production instance, please select installable MDM for remote DB. That is the option number 1. So with this, it will bring up the MDM installable remote db.yaml. It will bring up this Docker Compose file, which essentially has 2 containers, the installable MDM container and the MQ container. Now, since we are going to configure for a production instance, we will try to use a remote database as well as a remote MQ. It is also possible for you to configure against containerized databases. Supported databases are DB2 and Oracle, or also against containerized MQ. It's up to you to decide which one you want to use, whether you want to use on-premise or containerized versions of this. So let us check the Docker containers now. I have already downloaded the images corresponding to MDM and MQ. So we are able to see here that there are 3 containers. 2 of them correspond to what we just provisioned, the MQ container as well as the MDM container. This workbench was provisioned earlier. Yes, thank you.